Alright, so since my dash is out and I don't need a lot of the sensors I have deleted out of the engine bay, behind the dash is pretty cluttered right here inside the car, but the garage is cold, so I'm heating up right now. So I'm going to take the wires that I did stuff out of the dash, because there's quite a few. Like, that's radio stuff. I need that still. Like airbag, don't need it. Heating, don't need it. Something, don't need it. But there's a lot behind there that I don't need because I just don't have it anymore. And it's not to do anything with weight saving. It's mostly just to clean up behind the dash, because say I need to jump in the behind the dash for some wiring. I don't want to be searching through a bunch of wires that aren't being used. So I'm just going to get rid of them while it's out. And it's just going to make it a lot cleaner in the long run. So I'm going to flip this around, go grab some tools because I forgot to do that, and show you what I do and don't need. Okay, so I don't have any of my heat ducts, so it's going to be a lot more empty in mine than it is in yours. And I already took the airbag out, so, but this is all for the AC and heat. The airbag wire is already in the car, so all this I'm deleting. And then still don't know what this goes to. It's probably something in here, but I'm probably going to delete it because I don't need a lot of this stuff. The radio is this one, so I'm going to keep this. Maybe. I have the wiring diagram, so whichever one it is, I'm going to keep that one and delete the other one. Because one of these, it's mostly... Oh, yeah. Deleting this one, this is my heat... The climate control that's up there. These, I'm going to keep this one, but I'm going to delete this one. Because this is for the airbag on and off switch. Which, actually, I might keep this plug because I'm going to try to wire something to that and use that as a cool on-off switch. This I'm going to keep because that's my windows, or not windows, mirrors. This I need. And then dimmer switch, which I might not need, and my fog lights. So, pretty much from here over, I'm going to try to delete as much as possible. And I'm going to try to do it with Phillips, flathead, and pair of scissors. Because I don't want to go upstairs in the cold garage. So, I'm going to set up a time lapse and update you as I go.
I love you. I love you.
Alright, so I fucked up. So yes, I got that amount out, but in the doing, I was like, oh, okay, I made a mistake. Accidentally cut my fucking hazard button out. Wasn't planning on deleting that. Okay. Then I was looking through the wiring diagrams I printed off, and this isn't what I thought it was. This goes to you. I don't know what these are, but these go door speakers. Some are your windows, some of your mirrors. So I have to resplice most of that. Thing I noticed, it went into my speakers or my radio harness, and I was like, why does it do that? Then I pulled these out. So at least I caught it when I did, so I can fix it now. But I don't recommend fucking with this harness. This one is actually pretty well done, besides like some of this, like whatever the fuck this is, your HVAC, which not a lot of people delete it, so there's no reason to delete the wires. I was just going to do the wires behind the dash, and then I was like, maybe while I'm back here, while I have the dash out, I'll just cut some of these out. Don't, because now I have a bigger headache than what I would have had. Look what you're doing first. Make sure you know exactly what you're cutting before you cut. You know, this video has not went anywhere how I wanted it. So all I'm gonna do, instead of, because like I already have it tucked very well, I'm not gonna fuck with it. It's just gonna be a short video to show you not to fuck up. Okay, so I put the camera down and I started fixing it. I got a few of the wires on the hazards fixed, and then I got pretty much this whole thing fixed. I de-pinned the plugs for this and a wire that was over here. So I am still cutting out some of it that I know I don't need, now that I know which every wire does. So this one is fixed besides the ground. I need different butt connectors because these ones only go up to 16. This must be a 15 because it's just too big. So I thought I would go through and show you how I'm fixing all of these. It's pretty easy. I'm just splicing them, getting the, where is it? That one, it's on here. Getting this, and then I'm bending them over, crushing them a little bit, sticking them in the butt connector, just because they're the smallest these butt connectors can have. So it gives it a little more to bite onto, and it's a snug fit that way. And then when you heat it up, it heats it and adheres it to the butt connector. So it's just an extra precaution I'm going, just because it's behind the dash and I don't want to have to go back here to fix it. So I'll get a little time lapse going.